Have you ever felt tired, stressed, or disconnected, even after a full night's sleep? What if I told you there's a simple practice that can change the way you feel in just 15 minutes? Today, we're exploring the secret power of touching a tree while standing barefoot on the ground. It sounds simple, maybe even strange, but the results can be life-changing. This practice is called grounding or earthing. Grounding is the idea that when your body makes direct contact with the earth, through your feet, hands, or even lying down, you connect with the planet's natural electrical charge. Trees, soil, grass, and water all carry this energy. By touching a tree barefoot, you create a direct link between your body and the earth itself. Modern life surrounds us with technology, concrete, and artificial environments. Many scientists believe this disconnect has subtle effects on our health: stress, poor sleep, and constant fatigue. Grounding helps to restore balance. When your skin touches the earth, negative ions from the ground can neutralize excess free radicals in your body. In simple terms, it helps your system reset, reducing inflammation and calming your nervous system. Research studies and personal experiences suggest a wide range of benefits: reduced stress and anxiety, better sleep quality, lower levels of pain, improved mood, and even faster recovery after physical activity. Beyond science, many people describe a deep sense of peace, like their mind slows down, their breathing deepens, and they feel truly present in the moment. It's not magic. It's the body remembering its natural connection to the earth. Trying this practice is simple. Find a safe, quiet place outdoors with a tree that feels strong and alive. Take off your shoes and stand barefoot on the grass or soil. Place your hands gently on the trunk of the tree. Close your eyes and breathe slowly. Notice the texture of the bark, the coolness of the ground, and the feeling of being rooted, just like the tree itself. Stay like this for 15 minutes. That's all it takes. Many people notice a shift in their energy, mood, or clarity almost immediately. Sometimes the most powerful secrets are the simplest. Touching a tree barefoot is free, easy, and available to anyone. The next time you feel overwhelmed or exhausted, try this 15-minute secret for yourself. You may be surprised at how different you feel afterward. Remember, healing doesn't always come from doing more. Sometimes it comes from reconnecting with what has always been there. Subscribe to 15-Minute Secrets for more discoveries that can change your life, one small step at a time.